going to install a bidet on this toilet. There's a bit of flex in this plastic toilet, so I'm going to put a wooden toilet seat. This is the Lux Neo 120. We're going to tee off the water supply and go up to the bidet. Shut the water off. Flush to get all the water out of the system. This tee will go at the bottom of the toilet tank. Spin off the bottom of the tank. You'll lose a little bit of water. Twist it off and give it a pull down. Spin on the tee to the bottom of the tank and snug it up. Put the bottom of the supply back on. Snug it up into place. This is the supply that'll go to the bidet. Put it in hand tight. Need to remove the old toilet seat. To remove the seat, put a screwdriver and lock this bolt. Spin it off the bottom. Remove the bolt. Remove the second bolt. Remove the seat. The bidet has adjustable holes. Pop these caps and move them around until they fit. You want the spray nozzle centered, and the holes need to line up. Pull out our new toilet seat. It comes with new plastic hardware. Line up the toilet seat on the holes. Add in the new hardware. Make sure everything lines up and tighten it up. Snap the caps. Hook up the supply line. Make sure all the supply lines are tightened up. Turn on the water and check for leaks. When we turn on the water, the bidet will spray. This controls the nozzle position, and this controls the amount of spray that comes out. That's how you install a bidet.